Hi everyone. Well, I'm out in the garden this morning and it's absolutely beautiful morning. It's kind of cool and misty. And typically in the mornings, I like to take a little coffee walk through the garden just to check things out, see what's grown overnight, see if anything needs my immediate attention for the day. And this morning, guys, I am absolutely stunned by the color of the nasturtiums. The color in the garden just brings me so much joy. I absolutely love to see the color pop. And I know a lot of you have been enjoying the nasturtiums with us this spring. So I want to take a minute just to talk a little bit about it. Nasturtiums are a cool weather flower and they grow best in the springtime. They really like temperatures under 80 degrees. So if you're just coming into the cooler temperatures there where you live, you want to get some nasturtiums planted. And did you guys know that all parts of the nasturtium plant are edible? So the leaves here add a really nice zippy taste to a salad. They're really a pretty leaf, nice and green. And the flowers, so many different colors and varieties of nasturtiums. This particular one is called the Nasturtium Dual mix. And let me just pick a couple of these flowers and show them to you because there's so many different unique little stripings, little color variations, absolutely lovely. This is one of my favorites here. It has a little red stripe through the middle. And this bright orange color absolutely pops in the garden. One of my favorites as well. I mean, they're really all my favorites. It's so hard to pick. And this one is a little bit different of a shade. You can see there's also some lighter yellow ones, and there's so many different varieties of nasturtiums. The flowers are also edible, believe it or not. They look really pretty on top of a salad, which is one of my favorite ways to use them, but they also have a nice little milder zippy flavor than the leaves. Oh, these are so yummy. Now, oh man, so good. And the great thing about nasturtiums is, one reason they're so easy to grow is they grow in soil that is not heavily amended. Poor soil is great for them. They actually thrive on neglect. Now that's my kind of flower. And what's more is they drop their seeds all over the place. So they reseed very easily from year to year. Let me just show you what the seeds look like. Here, there's all kinds of seeds all over the plant. Now this seed here is actually green right now. Once it dries up, it turns brown. And I thought I had my little packet of, oh here they are, a little packet of nasturtium seeds here. These are actually in my cool weather pollinators seed collection. And the seeds, once they dry, look like this. You just drop them right in the soil. They really do work best direct seeded. I have seeded them indoors before, but you can seed them right in the garden. They're gonna sprout, grow very easily for you in the cool weather, and really provide a nice cascading effect. If you have some stone walls or walls that you want flowers to cascade over, they absolutely do beautifully for that. They grow beautifully in containers, kind of provide that spiller effect over the sides of the container, and are absolutely gorgeous. Now, the thing that I'm kind of sad about is we've had a few days in the 80s and even up to 90 a couple days. So I know that the nasturtiums will be fading out fast, but they provide a lot of quick, bright color for your springtime garden. So comment below, let me know if you're growing nasturtiums in your garden, or if you'd like to try it. You can pick up one of my Bring on the Pollinators Cool Season Flowers collections at my website, CaliKimGardenandHome.com. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.